How to enable eye tracking on your iPhone. If you want to control your iPhone using just your eyes, this tutorial will walk you through the process. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Next, scroll down and tap Accessibility. Now, tap Eye Tracking. Turn on the eye tracking toggle. Follow the on-screen setup by looking at the moving dots around the screen. This helps your iPhone calibrate eye tracking to your eyes. Once the calibration is complete, you can use your eyes to navigate around the screen. Simply look at an item to select it, and use Dwell Control to automatically tap after holding your gaze on an item for a short period. If needed, you can return to the eye tracking settings at any time to recalibrate or adjust options, such as smoothing and snap to item for more accurate tracking. So it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.